cash transactions, and because the rural markets were also impacted quite badly, I think there was a more prolonged kind of a slowdown in the motorcycle market. But we have seen in the last month and a half, the situation has started improving. The rural markets have started coming back with the remonetization effects, and we are sure that in the next couple of months, the impact of demonetization will be completely gone.
So if you could take us through the outlook for the next financial year, especially in the two-wheeler, three-wheeler segment, which haven't been doing well this year, and also in the passenger vehicle and commercial vehicle segment, what kind of an outlook does SIAM have? Or what kind of improvement do you think these segments will register?
Well, I think if you look at the short term, then I'm sure the two-wheeler industry will pick up quite smartly, because as I said, the rural markets are now coming back. The monsoons and the rabi crop is also going to be good. So hoping that there's also a good monsoon in the coming years, we are certain that the rural markets will come back on stream. The next few months, 2 or 3 months, for commercial vehicle segment, we would expect a bit of a slowdown. The prices have gone up. We have moved on to BS4. And the highest sales in the year are anyway in the month of March, which is now finished. So next 2 or 3 months, there might be a dip in commercial vehicle sales. And in passenger vehicles, I think the growth will continue the way it is right now.
So when you talk about BS4, you think the last 2 days saw huge discounts in the month of March, especially because people were trying to clear the inventory. What kind of revenue loss did you see on the back of such huge discounts?
Well, a rough estimation that we have done is that because of the discounting that happened in the last 2 days, the industry would have lost about 1,200 crores in that region. But there is also a stock remaining at the end of the day of BS3 vehicles, which would be valued at around 5,000 crores. So overall, there has been a hit of about 6,500 crores because of this.
So talking about BS6 deadline, it's a stiff deadline, but you're saying you're ready for manufacturing, but somehow if it includes registration, it would become a very difficult target for you because the manufacturing period will decrease. What is SIAM's opinion on this? How do you think you'll be able to manage? Do you think you'll need an extension for this particular April 2020 deadline?
Well, if you look at what's happened in the other countries, a jump from BS4 to BS6 firstly has never been attempted by anybody. They've always first moved to BS5 and then moved to BS6, and these two transitions have taken them 9 to 10 years. In India, we have agreed that we will do this leapfrogging without even stopping at BS5, move straight to BS6 in a period of 3 years, 2007 to 2020. This is something that has been agreed by the industry at the request of the government. So it's a mutual agreement between government and industry that this is what we'll do.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.